What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Model Factory. I have been getting a lot of questions in my videos where I show you my engines, where I got the little engine stand that I use in those videos. This is it here, and it's just a small little simple stand. Goes like that, and then you can just set your engines right on it, and it's got, there you go. They just sit on there, holds them up nicely, looks good in the videos and stuff like that. I mainly just use it for displaying engines, you know, when I'm shooting my little videos of them. But like I said, I've had a lot of you ask where I got this from, if I made it, and all those different things. So the answer to that question is no, I did not make this. Wish I would have thought of something this cool, but no, I did not make this engine stand. I got this from a kit. I couldn't remember which kit it was, and so I went back through all of my kits and looked. Thankfully, I still had the box from that kit, and it is from the 49 Mercury 3-in-1 customizing kit from AMT. It's from this one. This kit, I use the body as a donor body to just practice some things on, because I'm going to use the rest of the kit for something else. But this is where it came from. If you look on the side of the box, let's see, where is it at? Right here. So yeah, right there you can see, see if I can get that in. It comes with that engine stand. So this is the kit that I got it from. I don't know if they have the same engine stand in any other AMT kits that are similar to this one, or if they just made it specific for this one. If you've got one and you know what kit you got it from, then leave a comment in the comments down below, and that way others that are looking for this same stand can find it in that kit as well. But this is the kit that I got it from, and it's a neat little stand. It works for most of my engines. I've had a couple that it didn't work the best for, but it works for most of my engine stands, and it's just kind of a neat little way to display them, especially when you're shooting videos and showing off the engine and things like that. So there you go, guys. That answers the question. Hopefully all of you that have asked it will see this video, and you'll be able to figure out a way to get one of these engine stands on your own. So yeah, okay guys, well, like I keep saying in all my videos, eat, sleep, styrene, and I'll see you guys in the next one.